Hi, in this tutorial I will explain how to install SQL Server 2019 Developer Edition. To start the installation, first we have to download it. We will go on the internet, on the Google, search for the SQL Server 2019 download. So after that you have to double click on the SQL Server downloads. This will be the first link. It will redirect you or you will be landed on the new page. Then scroll down, you will get more options like developer edition and the expression edition. Here we will download the developer edition. Here we will download developer edition. To download it, click on the download now button. It will start the download. Post that we will go to the download folder and we'll open it. You will get the .exe file. To install the software, double click on it. Your installation will be started. Here the installation will be started. You will get three options. One is basic, custom and download media. The download media option, the whole software will be downloaded in ISO format and then from there you can install it. In custom format, you can manually do the configuration. For example, you can select the files location like MDF files, LDF file locations or log file locations. In future, I will explain what is MDF and LDF files. In this video, we will the basic version. Basically, it will contain only the database engine and other features. This is the privacy statement. You have to accept it to install the software. Just read it and accept it. This will be the installation location by default. This is the location. By clicking on the browse button, you can change it if you want to change it. In our case, we will not do any changes. We will select the by default location only. We will keep the by default location. Click on the installation button. The installation will start. Initially, it will download the software related files and then installation will start. We will wait here. You can see the installation is started. In the installation description, you can see the samples. This is basically sample SQL Server databases. In future videos, I will show you how to download these files and restore these files and how to take the backups of existing databases. Here you can see the installation is in progress. We will wait till installation is completed. You can see the installation is successfully completed. You will get different options here. The instance name, SQL administrators. Basically, the SQL administrator will contain the log folder, and inside the log folder, you will get the summary like warning, errors, and other details. SQL Server is whether successfully installed or not. You have to click on the Connect Now button. If this window pop-ups, then your SQL Server is successfully installed. Here we will install SQL Server Management Studio. To install the SQL Server Management Studio, we will click on the Install SSMS. On Install SSMS, it will redirect to SQL Server SSMS download page. And from there, you can download the SSMS. To download it, just scroll down. You will create a link of a free download for SQL Server Management Studio 18.10. Double click on it. The download will start. Once the download finishes, we will go to the download folder and from there to install the SQL Server Management Studio, you have to double click it on the downloaded exe file. It will start to install the SQL Server Management Studio. Nowadays, the SQL Server Management Studio is coming separately. Earlier, it was part of the SQL Server setup itself. and to install it you have to click on install button. By default this is the location, it will be installed on this location. You clicked on the install button, the installation will start. We will wait till installation completes. You can see here installation is completed. Now we will open SQL Server Management Studio. To open it, we will go on to the start, or you can click on the SQL Server Management Studio, or even you can type SSMS in search button. Initially it will take time. So basically on server type it will contain different options, whether you want to connect to the database engine, analysis services, reporting services, integration services, or Azure SSIS integration runtime. Server name is nothing but the instance name. You can click on the drop down to get the details. To get the details or how many instances are installed on the machines, on these machines, you can select the browse for more, and from there you will get the details like how many SQL Server database engines are there, integration run services are there, or reporting services are there. In our case we will click on the latest installed database engine. We have installed the database engine and not other, so we will select the second one and we will click on OK. And click on connect. So we have successfully connected to the SQL Server. Here you can see few system databases are already installed. I will explain more in details about these different databases in future video. To query, just click on the new query. It will open an editor, SQL editor. That's it. You have successfully installed SQL Server 2019.